Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the mushroom lantern in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get this mushroom lantern, you need to start the mushroom collector quest, and you can start the quest right here on the ancient jungle island. So first thing first, you need to go to this island and talk to this forager Jen to start the mission or the quest. And wait, let me show you the quest. The quest is called the Mushroom Collector, and you need to catch 30 mushrooms to get this mushroom lantern. And after you catch 30 mushroom, you can go back to this NPC and select I have found all your mushroom, and then you will be able to claim your reward. And then to catch the mushroom or to collect the mushroom, sorry, you just need to look for the mushroom around the ancient jungle, and then you can pick it up, and it's not hard to find. It's pretty easy, guys. Just search around the map right here, and you will find a lot of mushrooms. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete that's how you can get the mushroom lantern in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.